Hi everyone, welcome to the Pie of Genius podcast. My name is Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach. And one of the ways that I help leaders and managers and business owners really amplify their impact is to give them an opportunity to share their story. And I always find it fascinating when you get to hear not just what someone does, but the story and the people behind it. And I'm sure that you will too. So welcome to this episode. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please subscribe and share it with your friends. All right, guys, enjoy the episode. Hi, everybody. This is Jeff Fitz with Pie of Genius. I'm here in downtown Friday Harbor at SaviBank, talking to David Cope, who is the vice president of the branch here. Welcome, David.
Yeah, hi.
So my first question is just tell me a little bit about SaviBank, what you guys are about.
Absolutely. So excited to be here in our community. So SaviBank is a local community bank headquartered in Skagit County. So we have 10 branches in 4 counties. So Whatcom County, Skagit, Island, and now San Juan County as well. And then we also have a loan production office over in Orcas too. So full service community banking, commercial community banking. So we can provide anything that any major bank can provide. And we do it really well. Great customer service. Our products are competitive all across the market. And we just love what we do. And we're just so excited to, number one, be in the community, but also provide just a level of banking that compares to the whole market.
Yeah. And so how long have you been here at this? How long has SaviBank been on the island?
So SaviBank has been here on the island just under 2 years. Started as a loan production office with some loan officers creating some great commercial loans and consumer loans. And then we had some customers that needed deposit services. In stepped me. We expanded the branch to a full service community commercial branch. I started the bank, hired some staff with that, and we've grown from there.
Good. Awesome.
Yeah.
So can you share just one story on how you or your team has really made someone's day, put a smile on someone's face, not using their names, of course, but just like, an encounter that happened?
Well, I was trying to think of what story, and I can't really come up with one because I feel like every single day we're making a difference in our customers' lives. Our customers come in, we know them by name, we have a great time with them. Their dogs come in, we give them dog bones. We love that. We have suckers, we have chocolate. People love our chocolate.
Over there,
all that stuff. That's not just all about banking, but those are some of the things that we do. But when it comes to helping people realize their financial dreams or their financial achievements, we've helped numerous customers achieve financial success through loans, through deposits. We've got a event center that has been working with our commercial lenders on getting some commercial loans, and that's realizing their dream to have a really great, grand, successful event center. Those are the type of things that we're doing for our customers. And then in turn, they're coming back and saying, hey, SaviBank is a great bank. You helped us achieve our dreams. Go bank at SaviBank. So it's kind of like a circle where we're going word of mouth. We're trying to help people and expand our reach and help people just be successful.
Yeah. Excellent. And so what is there anything you'd like to share with the listeners today of like that's you want to highlight, something that's coming up or something highlight about the bank or something that's going on?
Well, one of the great things is we've been here for 1 year as a full service community branch bank. And so that's pretty exciting. But what I really want to highlight is our level of service. The service that we provide, the genuine care that we provide, the oversight. We're called SaviBank for a reason. Savvy bankers helping people be savvy with their finances. So is that a commercial loan? Is that a consumer loan? Is that a mortgage? Is that a deposit account? Here, that's what we do, and we do it really well. And so we're really proud of that. And it is fun to be able to create relationships. Like you and I have created a relationship and had conversation. We love doing that. Having conversations, creating relationships that are long lasting and beneficial to both parties, beneficial to the bank, beneficial to the individual or the business. And we do it really well, and we're really proud of what we do. And I will say also, we love our owl. We love our crest. Originally when we branded with our owl, the idea was that the owl is wise, the owl is savvy. And I love it because every once in a while in the community, somebody say, oh, you're that owl bank.
The Owl Bank.
You know, we're the Owl Bank. Hey, if you want to call us the Owl Bank, that's great. We're happy with what we're doing.
Yeah. Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
And so my last question is, what is one thing that you personally really love about your job?
So what I love about my job is they have afforded me the opportunity to create relationships with people. And I'm a people person. I love to talk. I love to visit. I love to hear about what you're doing. And I can create relationships. And they've given me the opportunity to go out, create relationships, and manage this bank in a way that's relationship driven. And I can manage those relationships and pull that relationship and the bank together for a great partnership. And so being able to go out there and just do what we do, be a part of the community, there's never a question about what I want to be able to do to move the bank forward.
Yeah.
And they've just really given us a lot of freedom and a lot of open-ended opportunities to go out and help our customers, help our businesses, and be a part of our community. And we're really excited to be here in Friday Harbor. This has just been a blast. Creating this branch, meeting our new customers. We're so excited to meet more customers. We have so much to offer that compares to the other banks, but we're SaviBank, and we're really proud to be here and do what we do.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Well, it's good to, actually, until we did this interview, I'd never actually been in SaviBank before.
Welcome.
This is a really great space.
I'll give you some chocolate before you leave.
I'll give you some chocolate. It's a really great space. It's right above the ferry landing.
Yeah, we got a great view too.
If you're looking to find them, it's really easy to find. It's top of the ferry landing. They're right here.
Yep. Our parking is a little bit challenged sometimes. So just if you want to drive up and call us, tell us you're coming, we'll run out, get your deposit.
That's good to know too.
So, yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you, David.
Yeah,
I
you're welcome.
appreciate the interview. And I'll put all of the contact information for SaviBank in the show notes, website, phone number, address, all that kind of information. So, and David said earlier when I was talking to him that you just want to come by and just see the bank, have some conversations. You have maybe no intention of opening an account. Just come by, make a connection. They're happy to do that too with no pressure to like open an account or do
absolutely.
whatever. So great. So until next time, just keep thriving, leaning into your genius, and I will see you around town. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks.